Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where creativity meets design. Today, we're diving into something a bit different but equally exciting. Inspirational Canva designs that will motivate you to create your best work yet. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, these examples are sure to spark your creativity and get those design juices flowing. Let's jump right in. The power of inspirational designs. Before we dive into the examples, let's talk about why inspiration is so important. Seeing what others have created can open your mind to new ideas, push your boundaries, and help you discover unique ways to express your own vision. Canva is an incredible tool for turning inspiration into reality, with countless templates and assets at your fingertips. Minimalist motivational posters. Our first inspirational design is a minimalist motivational poster. Clean lines, simple typography, and a powerful message. Sometimes less really is more. Use Canva's text tools to experiment with different fonts and layouts, and remember, white space is your friend. Vibrant social media graphics. Next, we have vibrant social media graphics. Bold colors, eye-catching images, and dynamic compositions make these designs pop. Canva's vast library of elements and images allows you to mix and match until you find the perfect combination that resonates with your audience. Elegant event invitations. For our third example, check out these elegant event invitations. Whether it's for a wedding, party, or corporate event, a beautifully designed invitation sets the tone. Use Canva's design features to incorporate textures, layers, and stylish fonts to create a truly memorable invite. Inspiring infographics. Infographics are a fantastic way to present information creatively. Canva makes it easy to build infographics with its drag-and-drop interface. Focus on balancing visuals with text, using icons, charts, and images to convey your message clearly and effectively. Custom vision boards. Last but not least, let's talk about custom vision boards. Vision boards are powerful tools for setting goals and visualizing your dreams. Canva's flexibility allows you to create a digital vision board with images, quotes, and personal goals that truly reflect your aspirations. And there you have it, Genius Junkies. 5 inspirational Canva designs that will motivate you to create something amazing. Whether you're into minimalist posters or vibrant social media graphics, Canva has all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and keep creating!